Ta-da! Today I'm making a simple potato loaf of bread. We're going to put 100 ml of warm water. You need sugar, so 1 teaspoon of sugar. Dissolve your sugar. Now we're going to add 1 sachet of dry yeast. This is 7 grams. Mix it all in, set it aside and let it bloom. It just takes a few minutes, 2-3 minutes, it will bloom, and then we can continue and add it to the rest of the ingredients. We're gonna need 550 grams of plain flour, into your sifted flour. You're going to add oil, gonna be 7.5 milliliters, so it's about half a tablespoon. You're gonna add 7.5 milliliters of vinegar. I've got white wine vinegar. I've got a half a teaspoon here, but you need to put 2 teaspoons of salt, so I need to put 4 of these. A teaspoon of ground carrot seed. As you can see here, my yeast is now bloomed, so I can add it inside the bowl. Also, we're going to need a couple of smaller boiled in their skin potatoes, so we're going to peel these now and grate it inside. Make sure the potato is cooked in its skin, please. Don't just peel it and boil it in water. It's going to absorb too much water inside. And now all I have to add is 200 ml of warm water. So this is 100 and 200. Leave it to rise for about an hour or so until it kind of doubles in size. The one thing about this bread that makes it much easier than most of breads is it's not a fold over bread, so we're not gonna be doing any folding and waiting in between rises, so it's just straight mix rise bake situation, which cuts the time by a lot. Dust your surface so your bread doesn't stick down too much. Now we're gonna take it out. As I said, normally you would be folding those this way if this was a standard bread, right? You will go like this and then leave it rise again. Do the folding, rising, folding again before baking. But for this bread, which I'm making today, you don't have to do that. So what I just show you is just how it would be done with the standard versions of bread. So for now, we're just going to shape it up and put it in a basket. I am using one of these bread baskets. It is already coated in corn flour so it doesn't stick. So the top is a bit open, so I'm gonna try and glue the bottom with my fingers to make it more closed. Okay, there. I need to wash my hands now. Now, all you gotta do is cover your bread up. I use a clean shower cap. Of course, only use it for your bread, not your hair, please. This is a reusable simple method. You can use cling film if you like and just throw it away. Well, this way I can use it over and over every time I make bread. Just leave it a gap so it has space to go somewhere, and this way I'll keep it aside for about an hour, hour and a half. Alright, the time has come to reveal the bread. It's been 1 hour 10 minutes since it's been rising. It's risen nicely. So, like this. I've got my oven ready and is on 230 degrees fan oven, and I'm going to be putting it inside for about 15 minutes with hot steam, then reduce temperature to about 180 degrees and finish baking for another 30 minutes. I'm going to put it on a parchment paper and then into my glass tray, which I have been preheating in the oven. Here's my bread. I'm going to gently make an insertion. Well, this is the finished result. This is my potato bread, as you can see. When it sounds hollow, you know it's baked all the way through. So yeah, and now let's cut it and see how it looks like on the inside. Wow. Ta-da! Nice, soft, lovely yellowish color. Some butter. Enjoy.